I jumped in.
Thank you.
It's not a fan favorite, it's my favorite. You guys are learning it, right? And who's that boy from last summer singing songs to you? You're gonna mess him up. What's up with that, right, Lee?
Okay, this is our last song of the night, unless somebody else is gonna come up and sing, because I'm done.
She's talking to you, Mike.
What? I don't have my hearing aid yet.
I heard that.
I didn't hear it. Lucky. Oh, what are we doing? So,
We have your request next.
we're doing requests. I'll do it once or twice. And then you jump in and one jumps out.
We should do this all night. Whenever you're ready.
What are we singing? We gotta have a bird. Free bird. I have no idea what they want.
for being the most outstanding bartender here.
You get a Grammy for that.
And for your performance tonight too.
I'm gonna show her.
Break time.
Break time.
Here comes Henry.
Break time, or are you guys done?
We are done.
We are done. Okay, you can break it down. All right. I'm gonna bring up you.
Yes, please.